Bonjour, aujourd'hui on continue avec les places en ville, places in town. So ville is town and the places in town, this is what we're learning today. Also, in addition to the words that we're learning, we're going to conjugate a special verb, le verbe aller, to go, because if I want to say I'm going to the bakery or I'm going to the swimming pool, I need to conjugate the verb aller, to go in French, in order to make a correct sentence. So we're going to revise the words today and we're going to talk about the verb aller, to go. To start with, we're going to play a little game. Please, you can pause the video if you like to revise these words, but if you don't need to revise these words, keep going with this video because I'm going to ask you to say from memory all these words. Shall we say them together? Une piscine, une pâtisserie, une mosquée, une gare, une église, un cinéma, un parc, une boulangerie, un marché et une poissonnerie. Now we're going to revise the recent words that are a little bit more difficult. So, can you remember any of these? Which one is une bibliothèque? So, biblio is a book. Bibliothèque is the library. Supermarché is like supermarket. And boucherie, it's a butcher. So when we compare French and English, they're very similar in different ways, in many ways. Une boucherie, un supermarché, une bibliothèque. Now looking at the second line, which one is un camping? Which one is une cathédrale? And which one is une charcuterie? So charcuterie is a deli. Un camping is camping, that's easy. And cathédrale is a cathedral. Now in the last line, which one is une banque? Which one is une école? And which one is auberge de jeunesse? Une auberge de jeunesse, une banque, une école. Can you say the first line from memory? Now, can you say the second line from memory? Look at the words. Can you say the third line from memory? Now, you can take a piece of paper and let's work this exercise together. You can pause the video whenever you want to learn in the pace that suits you best. Now, look at the pictures and try to write down the words in French. So, for picture number 1, it's going to be un restaurant. That's easy. What is picture number 2? What's 3? What's 4? So write down a list. Now, if you're not sure about the spelling, here is the list. You can use some of the words or most of the words in this list if you like. You can pause this video in order to accomplish this exercise. Now, in the following slide, you're going to see the answers. So you pause the video now if you didn't get the time to finish writing down the answers. As for the correction of this exercise, here are the words in the correct order. So, 1, restaurant. 2, c'est un bureau de poste, or you can easily say une poste. 3, une place publique. 4, une boucherie. 5, un magasin. 6, une charcuterie. 7, une banque. 8, un marché. 9, un office de tourisme. 10, un auberge de jeunesse. Et 11, c'est une cathédrale. Et finalement 12, une épicerie. Now, it's time for you to check your knowledge. Can you test yourself? How many of these words can you guess? Can you say the English of these words? Please, you can pause the video and check how many words can you say in English, can you recognize, out of the 14. Well, you can pause the video and take your time guessing. However, I'm going to show the answer. Now looking at the second list of words, because we learned a lot of words, and you have to do the same. Can you recognize these words? Can you say the English for these words? Check how many words can you guess out of 16. You can pause the video. However, I'm going to continue and I'm going to show the results. Now we're going to move to the following activity, and it's about le verbe aller, the verb to go, aller. And it's an irregular verb. That's why when I want to say I go in French, I say je vais. Because A and I in French make the sound E. Je vais. With a silent S at the end. Can you say it? Je vais. I go. Tu vas. You go. With a silent S at the end. Il va. He goes. Elle va. She goes. Let's repeat these words. Je vais. Tu vas. Il va. Elle va. One more time. Je vais. Tu vas. Il va. Elle va. I go. You go. He goes. She goes. Now, can you say them from memory, please? Je vais, tu vas, il va, elle va. I would like you to translate I go to school. Take a piece of paper, or you can say it orally. What is it in English? What is it in French? I go to school. What is I go first? And what is to school in French? Je vais à l'école. I go to school. How would you write you go to school? Tu vas à l'école. She goes to school. Elle va à l'école. He goes to school. Il va à l'école. You can practice saying the verb aller, je vais, tu vas, il va, elle va, many times, so you can memorize it easily and you'll be able to use it in sentences later.